Want to grow your affiliate sales? GoHighLevel makes affiliate outreach simple and automated. Here is how. Let's build a prospect list. Start by collecting potential affiliate partners, websites, influencers, or businesses in your niche. Add them to GoHighLevel CRM. Now, create outreach sequences. Set up email and SMS sequences and automations. Include personalized messages, value propositions, and a clear calls to action for joining your affiliate program. Now track engagement. Monitor opens, clicks, and replies. GoHighLevel lets you see which prospects respond best and adjust your messaging accordingly. Automate follow-ups. Schedule follow-ups for those who don't respond initially. Multiple touchpoints increase your chances of onboarding affiliates. And that's how you do affiliate outreach with GoHighLevel. Automated, organized, and optimized to grow your affiliate network fast. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this.